In this video, we are going to discuss about the analog switches. So on completion of this topic, the students can be indulged in the power amplifiers, tuned amplifiers and behavior of noise in this amplifier. So what is analog switches? So analog switches is mainly it is a switching device capable of switching or routing the analog signals. That is, they can have a level with a specified legal range. So based on the level of the digital control signal. So this device is used to interrupt the current flow in a circuit. Also, this can be make or it can break the electrical circuit. Each electrical and electronics application uses at least one switch to perform on and off operation for the devices. So mainly switches are the part of the control system, and also with or without control it can be achieved. Also this can perform the two main functions, that is fully on or fully off. When this circuit is fully on, it is closing the contacts, and it is fully off, it will be opening its contacts. So when the contacts of the switch are closed, this switch will create a closed path for the circuit to flow, and also it allows the load to consume the power from the source. When these contacts of the switch are open, no power will be consumed by the load. So here these switches can be of uh, either analog or digital. So although the result of this operating light switch can be interpreted as a digital signal, the switch itself is real and physical. So it needs physical movement to operate it, and its operation involves movement of internal parts. So many books it is given as an analog devices. So analog switch, if you give it is connected to the battery, the control switch is open and is connected to lamp off. If the control switch is open, if the lamp will be off, and the control switch is closed, means it is given as lamp is on. So here this analog keyboard switches is, rather than relying to the mechanical contacts, this analog switches is using the infrared LEDs and advanced sensor to measure the intensity of light along the key press, and also it is accurately determining how far it can be used. So mainly why we are using this analog signal space, they are mainly used to the communication systems to convey the voice, data, image, signal or video information. So this adapts the data to combine an input signal with a carrier signal. So another major important function of the switch is to divert the flow of this electric current in the circuit. While you are considering the circuit, when the switch is in the position of A and the lamp turns on, while its position in the B, the lamp turns on. Therefore there is numerous application of the switch. So this can be used in the homes, automobiles, industries, militaries, aerospace and so on. Also in home and office applications, we can use the simple rocker switches to turn on and off applications like lights, computers, fans, etc. Also this can be connected to control the electric load from one location to another location. So you can see the characteristics of this analog switches. So the most important characteristics of the switches are poles and throws. So poles represents the contact and the throws represents the contact to contact connection. So some standard numbers of the poles and the throws are single and double. So if the number of the poles or throws are greater than 2, then the number is often directed used here. So 3 pole 6 throw switch is often represented as 6 pt. The major important characteristics of the switch is in the action, whereas it is in the momentary or latched action. Momentary switches is used to make the momentary contact for the brief time. So possible questions of the analog switches are: the typical conversion speed of ADC is uh, given here. Find out the typical conversion speed of the ADC. Thank you.